Hello everyone, today we have Phillips QT4011 trimmer and this is a unboxing video of the same. I bought it from the Flipkart as you can see it. So let's see its contents. Here we have it. So nothing special on the box, just a simple cardboard box here. Let's just quickly unbox it. So this is our box. As you can see here, something is written over here. Some manuals. Let's keep them aside. The pouch for the trimmer. Charger with a special type of cable. You can see this is not any USB cable or something known to us. And here is the trimmer. A cleaning brush also. And the trimmer is here. Brand new Phillips QT401115. Let me open it. So here it is. It looks quite good and feels quite good too. And let me tell you, this also comes with a fast charger and gives around 90 minutes of usage after 1.5 hours of charging. So for now that's it. Actually I should see if whether it is charged or not. I'll have to remove this. As you can see, quite noisy. So that's it. Thank you. Like the video if you liked it and hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to receive notifications. Thank you.